Nigerian comedian Ada Jesus don die after battle with kidney disease. Harrison Nwanichu, wey be the man wey dey lead the group of Nigerians wey carry Ada Jesus go hospital, confirmed the news of her death to TMC TV yesterday. She don go, im tok. The Nigerian comedian Ada Jesus, wey her real name be Mesoma Mercy Obi, for interview with us bin tok say she dey sick with kidney problem. For interview wey she do for February 2021, the Instagram sensation be say e don almost reach 1 year wey she don dey battle the illness. She con tok say since December my body dey swell up, especially my belle and my face. I no dey fit waka because I no even get strength to stand up. When I go hospital, dem tell me say wetin dey worry me na kidney problem, say if money dey dem go carry me go India go do transplant. Ada Jesus reveal say a lot of people don make donations, and as at that time e remain small money make the money reach for the travel for the transplant. On April 19, video bin surface on social media as group of people gather for hospital where dem dey treat Ada Jesus to celebrate her birthday. And before dem, report bin comot say she bin don dey get better. Make una no forget say na TMC TV na carry dis ogbonge informate come give una. My name still remain Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.